Welcome. Explore key U.S. insurance types for managing risks and costs. Health insurance manages medical debt and access. Individual, employer-sponsored, Medicare, Medicaid. Life insurance provides death benefit to beneficiaries. Term, whole, universal, variable. Auto insurance covers accident losses, liability, collision, comprehensive, personal injury protection. Home insurance protects home, belongings, homeowners, renters, condo, landlord, flood, earthquake. Business insurance covers risks, general liability, professional, workers' compensation, cyber. Travel insurance covers trip issues, cancellation, medical, baggage, personal effects. Disability insurance replaces income if disabled, short-term or long-term. Specialty insurance for unique risks, pet, identity theft, umbrella, motorcycles, boats, RVs. These options aid informed decisions, financial well-being, peace of mind.